The U.S. defense industry is not dramatically different than other defense industries globally, but we do have an $850 billion defense budget, and more, the industry is looking for cost, size, weight, and power combinations that allow for these large swarming technology formations. Having infiniDome solutions based in the United States aligns with our corporate strategy of serving global customers, but providing very close attention to the U.S. Department of Defense and our large U.S. defense prime customers. We've seen a lot of trends in autonomous systems over the last 2 years, particularly in the conflicts in Ukraine and in Israel. And we've noticed that there's been a market move toward large swarming drone formations rather than reliance on single $25 million drones that are quite vulnerable. I think we've seen that the future of autonomous systems, both in the air, on the surface of the sea, and on the ground, is more and more reliant on GPS and GPS navigation for position navigation and timing, despite the strong move toward other sensors and other redundant systems. For that reason, we think that infiniDome solutions will provide a very, very important piece of the puzzle for the U.S. defense industry.